A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rentals. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
All right, it's almost afternoon. Today is a Saturday. It's actually the first Saturday in 2021. And I'm making this video to put you guys up on the secret codes that will not be secret anymore once I tell them to you. Let me start this video off by just throwing, a question/comment out. Have you ever saw somebody, it can be an acquaintance, good friend, family member, brother, sister, and you're like, how are they getting all this good stuff and I'm not? So the good stuff can be maybe a lot of money, it can be a nice job, it can be I don't know, some kind of material asset. Well, not too many material things are assets, but let's say it's a car or something like that, and you don't have it, and you want to know how are they getting it. And you don't want to know this in a hating way. So you're not hating on somebody and you're angry that they have it and you don't. It's more out of curiosity and hoping that you can acquire it too. So one of the things I want to tell you about how the rich get richer is they know where to look. And I'm about to show you where to look. So what you're seeing right now is me using an app called AirDroid. And what this app does, it mirrors my phone to my computer screen. So right now you're looking at what I see on my phone. And what we want to do is we want to jump into Yahoo Finance App. This is an app that you can download from the Apple Store or the Android Store, and I highly recommend it. This is my go-to app in terms of learning about stocks and deciding what I want to invest in, when I want to buy and when I want to sell. I use the other ones too, but this is where I actually house all my stocks. So I don't have to actually log into my brokerage account. I can just go right here, see every stock that I own or every stock that I'm considering owning. So let's jump in. And what I want to do is I'm going to pick out some stocks that I own that are in my portfolio. And I just want to go through each stock and just kind of show you some features of this app that should convince you. If I'm not doing it, hopefully this app will do it. And this is, again, a free app. You don't have to pay to get this app. You can put it on your phone and you can do everything that I'm about to show you. And you should be able to convince yourself if I can't do it. So we're going to go into Apple. And what you see at the bottom here these are dates. So 1 day, 5 day, 1 month, 6 month, year to date, 1 year, so on and so forth. And this is Apple. So this is the company, the stock ticker. This is the last trading price. This data is good as of December 31st. Again, the day is Saturday, so the stock market isn't open. And what we want to do, and I'm going to do this for each stock that I show you, so I don't want to repeat everything I'm saying right now because I want to kind of get through this video as quick as possible. I'm going to click on 1 year, and I'm going to click on max for every stock that I show you. So let's do 1 year. And the number that we want to concentrate on each stock will be the number in this parenthesis. And this is a percentage. This is 80.75%. And what this means is that I clicked on 1 year. They're saying if you bought Apple stock in the beginning of January, so January 1st, you held the stock the entire year of 2020, you will be up almost 81%. So 81% profit on Apple stock. And just to, because these numbers are going to get really big, and I just want to tell you guys this if you don't know. If you have a stock and you're up 100%, that means that stock doubled. So 100% means you just doubled the value of your stock. So if you bought a stock for $10 and it increases by 100%, you now have a stock that's worth $20. So Apple was almost doubled. If it would have got up to 100%, it would have been doubled. So let's click on Max. So Apple came out, I guess, prior to 1995, and of course today is 2021. Look at the number. Again, we're always concentrating on this number in parentheses. This says 103,000%. So again, this isn't $103,000. This is 103,000%. So what this means is that if you bought Apple back when it first dropped, you'll be a multi-millionaire right now with just a couple of shares of Apple. So we're going to go through about 9 more stocks, and I'm picking stocks that you guys should just recognize just driving around wherever you live in the city. So we just did Apple. I want to do AutoZone. So this is a place where you can go and buy car parts to repair your car. So we're going to click on 1 year. And actually, if you bought AutoZone in January and you kept it until December last year, you're actually losing money. But let's click on Max. Up over 16,000%. You're a millionaire if you bought it when it first dropped. Let's do Clorox. It's a pandemic, so everybody's trying to buy Clorox. So we're going to go to 1 year. Up almost 32%. Max. Over 3,500%. You are a millionaire if you'd have bought it when it first dropped. The IPO. Let's do Disney. Walt Disney. We'll do 1 year. Up over 25%. Let's do Max. Almost 200,000% if you'd have bought Disney back, I guess, prior to 1965. Multi-millionaire buying the stock. This is how the rich do it. They know where to look, and I'm showing you where to look. Yahoo app, Yahoo Finance app. Next stock, FedEx. Everybody knows FedEx. 1 year. Up over 71%. Max. Over 27,000%. Again, you will be a millionaire if you bought it back in the 1980s. Let's do Home Depot. You see those around. Let's go to 1 year. Up over 21%. Let's do Max. This is almost the biggest number I've seen so far. It could be the biggest. 885,000%. You'd have been a multi-millionaire if you bought this stock when it first became available on the stock exchange. Huge. Let's do another one. MasterCard. 1 year. Over 19%. Let's do Max. Over 7,600%. Again, millionaire. Let's do Mickey D's. McDonald's. 1 year. So this is actually below the stock market average. So, you're a little bit over 8.5%. Stock market average is about 9 point something percent on average. But let's go to Max. almost 80,000%. You will be a millionaire if you bought McDonald's back in the 1980s. Let's do Microsoft. Everybody knows that company. Do 1 year. Up over 41%. Max, over 229,000. You will be a millionaire. And the last one we want to check out would be Walmart. So where is that? All the way at the bottom, of course. W. Here we are, Walmart. 1 year. Up over 21%. Let's do Max. You will be a millionaire. Up 225,000. And what I want to do, I actually went to the net just to really let this hit home. So again, this is Walmart stock. Let's go over here. And this, I just typed in something real simple. If I had invested in Walmart. So you can do this with almost any company. You can say, if I had invested in Home Depot or Target or any stock that's available, you'll probably get something like this that you can click on. So we're going to click on this. And this is assuming that when Walmart stock was first available, you invested $5,000. Let me highlight this. If you purchased $5,000 worth of Walmart stock, when it first dropped, you would be up $74 million. So $5,000 worth of Walmart stock right now, and actually I believe this article is from 2019, you'll be up over $74 million. So this is 2021, so you can add a couple of million to that. But who's counting? This article was from October 19, 2019. But this is proof. Long-term investing works. That's what I do. That's what I've been doing. You can do it too. I'm asking you not to hate and tell other people. You don't want to be getting paid and all your friends aren't getting paid and you are getting older in life and you're trying to do things and they can't do it. So everybody invest, get this money. It's right here in your face. This is how the rich people are doing it. I'm giving you the codes, the secret codes that I do not want to be secret. StocksAndRentals.com. Peace.